Alright, I'm going to do a quick video here on this Aqua-Dri dehumidifier that I picked up today, just now, at a sale for $11. This is definitely not most certainly my first dehumidifier that I got, but I figured to do a quick video on this. And here's the front of the case here. It's a 25 pints automatic free frost dehumidifier. The knob for it is right here. I just went ahead and unscrewed that and took the front case off so we can see inside. It's definitely have a lot of use to it. A lot of hours put onto this. It's quite dirty. I'm going to have to clean this up pretty good. Here's the switching mechanism. This just screws onto the front case right there. Here's the compressor. It is a Samsung compressor. It has the refrigerant 12 in it, which I've kind of figured it would, because it has those circular coils, which I think those circular coils is a good indication that this is on the older side. Made in Korea. I'm gonna have to fix this part here. This is not really insulated that well. We're getting water dripping from here and going on here, and it's not the way it should be, so I gotta get this more insulated. So yeah. It says 15 there, but I got it for 11. Go ahead and rotate it the other way. Really quick. There's the evaporator coil. This is one of those aluminum, again, circular coils. Did come with its bucket, so that's always a good thing. They did have a hose attachment to this, so I'm going to have to get one of those things to keep it from water going out. It's pretty rusty down here. Somehow, one way or another, water leaked through, and a lot of water just kind of sat in here and rusted this out. At least the coil doesn't look like that. So here's the informations. Aqua-Dri dehumidifier, model number 25A-2, refrigerant 12, 6 amps. I'm not quite sure what year this would be from. If I were to guess, it'd be probably as early as the 80s. That's what I would guess. Well, let me go ahead and get this thing started. Alright, got this hooked up. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Hear the refrigerant flowing in there. It builds head pressure very quickly. there's also a Samsung 1 amp. The compressor on this is very quiet. You can hardly hear it at all. You hear a lot of the refrigerant sounds though. It's already completely cold all the way through. This 100% got a full charge in there. I do have to be careful with this bucket though, because it's very sensitive. Any little jar is going to make it go off. That compressor is very, very quiet. And we'll have to go ahead and turn it off. Fan bearing seems to be still pretty good. Well, there you have it. This Aqua-Dri vintage 25 pints automatic free frost dehumidifier. At some point, whenever I get the time, I will go ahead and clean this up. Also, the neon light still does work on here.